Okay, Domain 4, Billing, Pricing, and Support, the financial heartbeat of AWS. Up until this point, we've built, deployed, and scaled in the cloud. Now it's time to talk about money, how AWS charges, how to predict it, and how to control it. Think of this domain as your trading floor. Every compute decision is a buy or sell order. Every storage tier, every transfer fee, it's all part of the market that never sleeps. Your goal isn't just to use AWS, it's to master the economics behind it. In the tie-in, the Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort, didn't just sell, he understood value, timing, and leverage. That's exactly what this domain is about. We're going to channel that same confidence, not to bend rules, but to bend AWS to work in your favor. Welcome to the market of the cloud. Okay, 4.1. 4.1 is all about comparing AWS pricing models, the foundation for smart financial decisions in the cloud. Let's start with compute purchasing options. On demand means you pay only for what you use, flexible but more expensive for the long run. Reserved means you commit to a term of 1 or 3 years and save big on predictable workloads. Spot means the wild card. Unused capacity at massive discounts but can be interrupted at any time. Savings plans equal long-term savings flexibility across services like EC2 and Fargate. Dedicated hosts and instances means physical isolation and compliance benefits, perfect for strict enterprise governance. Capacity reservations means you reserve capacity in advance to guarantee compute availability during peak times. Next, data transfer charges. Inbound data is typically free, but outbound data across regions or the internet incurs cost. Knowing these patterns helps you architect smarter and avoid surprise fees. Okay, finally we have storage options and tiers. From S3 standard for frequent access and frequent access for midterm use to Glacier for archival, you can mix and match storage for cost efficiency. Lifecycle policies automatically ship data between tiers, ensuring you're never overpaying for idle storage. Your skill here is not just knowing what exists, it's knowing when to use each pricing model for the biggest operational return on investment. Okay, so picture the Wolf of Wall Street, the chaos, the energy, the confidence of people who live by the numbers. That's AWS pricing. The difference is you're not just chasing profit, you're engineering efficiency. Data transfer is like broker fees, small, constant, and capable of eating into your margins if you're careless. Storage tiers, they're your investment classes. Standard for fast-moving capital, Glacier for Vault, reserved instances, and savings plans are your long-term portfolios. Predictable returns built on smart commitments. Just like Belfort taught his brokers, the secret isn't selling harder. It's in knowing your product. You're not here to survive the market, you're here to master it. And that's exactly what this domain teaches, how to make every AWS dollar work for you.